Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video, we will learn some of the important commands in the Unix operating system or the Linux operating system. So the first command which we are trying to learn is the cat command. So the cat command is a fundamental tool used in the many Unix based operating systems including the Linux. It is known for its versatility in handling the file manipulations. So let's break down this cat command. So normally this cat command is used in which scenario is, for example, let's say that I will go back to our home page means that is nothing but the user page, and if you try to do the ls, so this is my directory. Now let's go into the desktop. So I am going into the desktop, so I am pressing ls. So this is the code which we are able to see. Now here what I want to do it is, so here in our ls, so let me make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, so in this ls, so let's clear it off. Yeah, let's go to the Leela profile, or otherwise this looks somewhat bigger, right? I will close this one, I will close this one. Yeah, here let's open this bigger one so that the viewing will be very easy. Now let's bigger. Yeah, here I am in the desktop. Let's go to this. So here normally when I go to this cleanup, okay, and if I do the ls, so here we are having some multiple thing, right? Now I want to see the contents of this website thing. I want to see the contents of this website. So what can we do here? One thing is, so we can go to the nano website and here I can press enter. Now if I press nano, and this will go into an editing page. Okay, so here if you want to edit, you can edit it, and all those things you can do. And if you want to come, you can give Control X. So that means when you are trying to view the files, you are going to the nano and all those things. Instead of typing nano and all those things, if you want to just view the file content, then we can use command that is nothing but cat website. So it just simply shows you the output of that file. Not only this one, so whatever the file you are having, just press cat and website, it will give you all the things. So let's go to the to-dos, and here in these to-dos, if I do ls, so we are having some multiple thing, right? And if I try to do cat shopping list, if I want to see the content in the shopping list means, then I can press directly like this. I can able to see the cat command. So here like this. So this is the use of this cat command. So what way we will be using this cat command is, so if you want to see the content of the file, whatever the content of the file is there, then we will be using this cat command. Not only this one, so we can also use the cat command to copy the content into another file also. For example, let's say that I am having not only that copying thing. Let's remove this one, rmcopy.txt. I am removing this file. So for example, let's say that I am having shopping list, and I will try to create another one, something like list data.txt. okay, and here I will write this is the list data and sample text or something like this, and I will press Ctrl S. So okay, and I will do the Ctrl S and Ctrl X. So that's fine. So now if I want to see the contents of this list data means, then what I can do here, I will press enter, and if I want to see the shopping list means, and I can do like this. So these are the two things which we can do it. Now I want to combine these two files and I want to see the data. So for this one, what I can do is list data and shopping list. So I can combine these two files and press enter, and here at the top you will be able to see this is the list data sample text, and this one is the content of this shopping list. So like this, how many files you want, you can add it and you can see this one. So this is nothing but cat means concatenations. The short form of this cat is concatenating the files. So it will concatenate the files into a single one, and it will show you the output. For example, let's say that you can also do another thing. For example, let's say that I want to combine this list data and shopping list data, and I want to copy it in another file. So we can also do it like this: cat list data.txt shopping list.txt, and you can use a greater than symbol, and you can do combine.txt. Okay, so the whatever the content is present in the list data and shopping list data, both will be combined and it will be placed in this file. That's it. Now if you try to do the ls, you'll be able to see a combine, and if I want to see the content in this combine.txt, here I am able to see the content of both the files, whatever the files you are having, the content present in the list data and also in the shopping list, the both data is combined and it is placed in the combine.txt. So this is the usage of this cat command. So this cat command, you can use the cat along with the redirection that is greater than to create a new file, and you can copy the new file, that one. That is one thing. So other functionalities means, so you can also use so like this. So this is the main concept behind the thing. So I hope this explanation clarifies about the cat command capabilities. So cat command is used for viewing of the files, not only a single file, you can also view for the multiple files by mentioning the file names. And also if you want to combine the multiple files data, and if you want to copy it into a separate file means, you can use this combine text. That cp command also we have seen it, right? Instead of that one, cp command also it will be copying the data, and here also this one also will copy the data. So that is it. So if you want to see the man for this one, so man cat means you will be able to see the details of this one. So here there are some options are available in this one, so you can make a use of this thing also. So that's it about this cat command. And before closing this one, I want to show you another thing also, that is less command. Okay, so what is this less command? For example, let's say that I am having here a list.txt file. Okay, so the list.txt file means, if I try to do the list.txt file, if I press enter, and here you will be able to see the long way of text here. So this is the total way. What does this cat command will do? It will directly dump over the complete data and it will display you. So now here the less command is a pager tool. It is something like a pager tool. It is used for viewing the contents of the text one screen at a time. So it is particularly useful for browsing the large files efficiently. So for example, let's say that I will try to use the same thing, list.txt. I will use the same file, list.txt. Now here you will be able to see only one thing. So now if you want to press arrow mark down arrow, and you will be able to see it like this, one by one, line by line it will come. If you try to spacebar means the next page will come. Okay, so here like this we will be having some options in a such way that spacebar or page down means move forward to one page, B or page up means it will go back to the one page up, and arrow keys and line by line, if you want to move it, line by line it will move. So like this it will go to the end of the thing. And if you want to search for a particular pattern means, you can use the slash and you can search for a particular pattern and press enter. You will be able to find the pattern. And if you want to exit means, you can press Q to exit it directly. So that means the less command, what it will try to do is, it will give you the long page, large files data. If you want to view it means, it will try to show you one page by page, whatever the screen up to where it will be visible, it will show one by one page. And by moving up and down arrows and all those things, you can check that page. And you will be having spacebar or page down means, it will go one by one forward to one page, another it will move. Arrow marks means line by line it will move. Or B or page up means it will go backwards. So that is the main thing. That is the main thing about the cat command and also the less command. Cat command means it will try to show you all the content at a time. Less command means it will try to show you the screen, how much it is visible. It will show you that much page only, and you can see the next content by using the arrow marks or the F button or the B button. So this is what about the less command and the cat command. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.